When we seafarers come ashore, many people ask the same questions. What do you do out there? What's your job like? What do you eat? What happens if there's a storm? Do you still sleep? And if there are no women, how do you live? Here's my answer. To be honest, when I come ashore, the first thing I want is not to see anyone at all. I just want to get away from that iron box, from that huge steel cage where we live for weeks and months. I want to break free, to feel my legs moving freely, to feel my body stop fighting the constant motion of the sea. I just want to walk peacefully on solid ground. I don't rush to museums, I don't book excursions. I simply walk, I watch people. I breathe in the smells, I try the local food. I find a small café where I can sit quietly and taste the feeling of real life. Sometimes I stay silent, just observing how people live, how they smile, how they hurry or how they take their time. And then comes the moment when I have to go back, and honestly, I never feel like going, because I know it's back to the metal, back to the routine, back to the rolling sea, back to the same daily schedule. And yes, when there's a storm, it's impossible to sleep. With a 25-degree roll, your body never truly rests. We keep working. We watch over the ship, the engine, the course. What do we eat? We eat like everyone else. And if there are women on board, it's great. We all work together, no special differences. And if there are, nothing tragic either. That's just life. That's the story. Simple, honest. A sailor's life without sugar coating.